Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a retro effect on a Viva video apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Viva video apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the all effect at the bottom. This one, you just click on it. And after this, you can click on the retro. This is the retro effect. Click on it. And in here you can see retro effect 1 until 6. You can choose the retro effect that you want. This is the retro effect 2. You can choose the full or just object or just a background. I wanna try to just object like this, and then this is a just background. I wanna try to add a full. So this is a retro 3, retro 4, retro 5, and this is a retro 6. Okay, and then a finish. So that's how to add a retro effect on a Viva video apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.